So you're thinking about making the switch to a stand-up desk or a desk that goes up and down, but the question is it worth it? I used to think that a stand-up desk was the solution until I had one for a while, but I got it because of the problems with sitting. I mean, sitting, we all know prolonged periods of sitting can cause problems like obesity, cardiovascular disease. You get short, weak hip flexors, you get glutes that go to sleep, and you also get these postural problems where your upper back rounds and your neck comes forward. So that's why I got a stand-up desk. Now let me tell you the problem with the stand-up desk. So I switched to a stand-up desk, and what happens when you have a stand-up desk is you're actually just in the same position all the time and you have these prolonged periods of standing. And what I found was I'm just standing in one place all the time and my feet would hurt. My feet would hurt and my low back would hurt. So the problem isn't that you shouldn't be sitting all the time and you need to switch to standing. It's not that sitting is the new smoking. Standing in one place all the time can also be a problem. So the problem is that we're not moving. And if you can get a desk that goes between standing to sitting, it provides a solution. So regular movement, like this desk move, it helps to improve our circulation. It helps our muscle and joint health because we're moving from standing to sitting. It helps to boost our metabolism. So when we work at a standing desk, it allows us to have a more neutral posture. But then when we get tired, going back down to seated, it lets us sit down and rest and change our position. But one of the things that I really love about a stand-up desk is that when you're on those super long, boring Zoom calls where it just seems like your presence is needed as a warm body, you can put an under the desk treadmill under your stand-up desk and you can get your steps in while you're on your Zoom calls. So I think that is absolutely fantastic. So if you're looking for a super affordable desk that goes up and down motorized, you can see my links below. And this is just a really durable, sleek one that has lots of cord options, and I have never seen such an affordable, durable, sturdy version, and I've got a link for you below.